All right, American Dream Mall. Let's head over to the food court. Let's go. A lot of people getting the nails done today. Wow. Dream Salon right here. Wow. Fancy spot right there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. A lot of people here today. This place is pretty jumping. Pretty jumping today. Got the Spencers. Got the Kung Fu Tea right here. Check out the energy, we're so high up. This mall is jumping today, wow. Okay, we got the Firehouse Subs right here, boom. Pura ramen, Jollibee chicken, King Kong Express right there, Mr. Main Noodle House, got the Wendy's right here. Yeah, there's a lot of people here today. Nice Friday energy. July 10, 2026. Popeyes, got the Popeyes right here. Right now it's 7:15 p.m. Let's take a peek at the New York City view if we can go over there. We're not going in there. We're just going to check out the view. Pretty awesome. I don't know if you need tickets to go out there. Just trying to get a view of the city. Pretty cool. See New York City right there. Bam. Pretty awesome. We're not going to go out there. It says, please follow all attendant instructions. Yeah, so you can't go out there, I think. So we're just like looking, that's all. We're not going out there. But they got the Ferris wheel here, super huge. Super huge. So we're right next to New York City, Manhattan. American Dream Mall is close. Got Taco Bell, Charlie's, Philly Steaks, Ichi Japan right here, boom. Latin Grill. You got Seoul Kitchen right here, Cajun Grill. Like Seoul, South Korea, K-Food. Best Korean food, it says. Charlie's, always jumping. Charlie's is good. Had some Charlie's the other day. Good stuff. Good cheesesteaks. I think they got a special on fries today. From what I know, it's It's National Fries Day. On Friday. National Fry. Today's Wednesday, Thursday, Fries Day. I guess so. Little big guys laughing. Anyway, our pocket camera. So yeah, it's pretty jumping here. Getting the grub on. All right, let's go this way. Wow, Wendy's is jumping today. A lot of people at the Wendy's today. Got the King Kong right here. Boom, King Kong Express. Got the fish and grill right here. It is a low-key spot over here to grab some food. Bravo Pizza, Chickies. You got Chickies here. All right. American Dream Mall.